Today, we're making these red lentil buns. They are gluten-free, they're vegan, and they're so good. They come together in minutes. Hi guys, welcome back to your favorite cooking channel, and today we're gonna be making these incredible red lentil buns. Now, what makes them so incroyable? I'll tell you. They're gluten-free, they're vegan, they come together in a matter of minutes, and they're delicious. Now, I came across this recipe online, and I couldn't believe it when I read the ingredients, that this would all kind of come together to form these gorgeous, poofy, soft and chewy buns. So I tried it, and they did. Like, it works, it's magic. Let's go through the ingredients and then quickly whip them up, and it's what I'm having for breakfast. Speaking of breakfast, I've always wanted to recreate that famous McDonald's Egg McMuffin situation, and this is it. This is our time to shine. Let's go. First of all, we have the red lentils. Now, why are they in the sieve? Because I always soak them overnight. It's very simple. You just weigh the necessary amount. As always, all of the details of this recipe are down below in the description. So you just weigh the necessary amount and you cover them with water, like sufficient amount of water, because they will plump up and absorb quite a lot of it. Then you just rinse them through, and I let them hang just to get rid of all of that other excess liquid. Here I have some psyllium husk. I have a little bit of water. I have some baking soda. I'm using apple cider vinegar because I'm a huge fan. I literally drink this stuff with water all the time. But you could use lemon juice or lime juice. We need a little bit of olive oil and definitely some salt. Now, the only thing left to do is just introduce all of these ingredients to each other in a blender or a food processor. Form the buns. We're gonna kind of give them a gorgeous little coating of seeds and nuts and bake. It's that simple. It is much easier to roll out these buns if you have slightly wet hands. Now, as soon as I'm done with them, I usually make 4 buns. It's time to bake. And we bake them in a preheated oven for 25 minutes. And when it's about 18 to 20 minutes, I like to rotate the pan just to make sure that everything is cooked evenly. And while they're in the oven, we'll prepare something delicious to go inside, because today this is going to be a red lentil breakfast bun. Last weekend, I made these with my son. He's 10 years old. I just can't even put into words how proud he was of himself when he actually made bread or buns for the whole family. It was a whole thing. I suggest you also cook with your kids. Now, these are baking. Look at these. They're absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed. And they have this cute little edge where they kind of poofed up. Now, you could eat this with just some butter. Make a pastrami sandwich. I'm gonna make this egg cheddar McMuffin situation. These go beautifully with a hummus, as a little, instead of a pita. And they're very healthy, because we all know that red lentils are packed with protein and fiber. And this is just a great a perfect way to really get some variety in like your food choices. So it's not all just, you know, plain wheat buns and bread. This is just exceptionally good stuff. I'm gonna make myself a breakfast now. Come on, guys. You seriously need this. If you try to bake these buns, please drop me a comment below. I love reading your comments. And if you're gonna post a picture on social media, tag me. Love that stuff. I'm gonna take a bite. And then my kids are gonna have breakfast. Oh my God. This is so good. Have a great day, guys.